A hemband is a separate strip of fabric typically found on the bottom of jackets, which not only finishes the raw edge, but is a neat style detail. This video will take you through the steps and show you how it's done. First, you'll want to cut out your pattern and fabric pieces for the hemband. If your jacket has a lining, you'll want to make sure you cut out your hemband from your lining pieces as well. It may be possible your hemband is one long strip or is like mine where it has seams that match up with the seams of my jacket. So I have the back hemband and the front hemband pieces. I'm going to pin my band sections together, but I want to make sure it matches what my jacket looks like so far. If I lay out my jacket wrong side up, I can put the back hemband in the center and then put the shorter front band on the right and the longer front hemband on the left to match the layout of the jacket. Pin the short matching ends of the band sections right sides together. I'll stitch these pinned areas at my machine using a standard straight stitch with the recommended seam allowance from the pattern. With your seams done, you'll have one long hemband strip. Don't forget to press your seams open. Now I'm going to pin the hemband to the bottom of my jacket right sides together, matching up the ends, any notches, and seam allowances first, and then easing in between these areas. If your garment has pockets like mine, I'm going to pull up the pockets so they're out of the way and don't accidentally get sewn in the seam. Sew the hemband and jacket together at your sewing machine. Then press the seam allowance towards the hemband. Flipping the garment over to the right side, you'll want to top stitch next to the jacket hemband seam line. So this is sewing on the hemband close to the seam line, catching the seam allowance on the back. The hemband is now done until I finish completing almost the rest of the jacket and do the lining. My lining looks similar in construction to my jacket in that there's a hemband also attached to the bottom. So my hemband will be finished with sewing the lining to my jacket. Jacket and lining will be placed right sides together, matching the outer edges, including the hemband section and pinned. I'm going to sew my seams at the pinned edges. When the jacket is flipped so all the right sides are out, your hemband is also finished and just needs to be pressed. When you have a hemband, you're not doing a traditional hem on your garment because the hemband and lining are taking care of it. Here's what it looks like when finished. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of our new releases. Also check out ProfessorPincushion.com to view our complete library with well over 450 sewing tutorials. If you would like to directly support us, you can join our YouTube membership and earn some exclusive perks. Thanks for watching.